Hi, everybody. Welcome to our channel. The Essential Travel Tips, our destination for you today. It's the top 20 how to travel smart for 2025. Traveling smart in 2025 means making informed, efficient, and sustainable choices that enhance your travel experience while minimizing unnecessary stress and costs. With advancements in technology, an increased focus on sustainability, and more opportunities for personalization, the way we travel is evolving. Smart travel involves using digital tools to plan and organize trips, being mindful of the environment, and prioritizing convenience without compromising on comfort. Whether you're exploring new destinations, managing travel logistics, or simply enjoying a smoother airport experience, smart travel strategies will help you make the most out of your time, budget, and energy. From booking flights with price alerts to packing light and embracing digital payments, here's how you can travel smarter in 2025 and beyond. Here's your top 20 how to travel smart for 2025. 1. Use travel apps. Apps like Google Maps help you find the quickest routes, transit schedules, and even reviews for restaurants and attractions. Apps like Skyscanner and Momondo allow you to compare prices for flights, and TripIt helps you organize your travel itinerary in one place. 2. Set price alerts. Skyscanner, Google Flights, and Hopper offer price alerts that notify you when the price for a flight drops. This can help you book at the most cost-effective times and avoid overpaying. 3. Consider travel insurance. Travel insurance covers a range of potential disruptions like flight cancellations, lost luggage, and medical emergencies. In 2025, look for comprehensive policies that cover COVID-related incidents or other disruptions, especially in destinations that might have unpredictable health regulations. 4. Use e-wallets and digital payments. Digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay are widely accepted, reducing the need to carry cash. Some destinations are also embracing cryptocurrency payments, so check local options. Also, ensure your credit card has no foreign transaction fees. 5. Pack light. Use packing cubes to organize your bag efficiently. Roll your clothes instead of folding them to save space. Stick to neutral colors for versatile outfits that can be mixed and matched. Consider packable, wrinkle-free fabrics and invest in a good quality carry-on that fits overhead bin size requirements. 6. Keep copies of important documents. Scan your passport, visas, insurance documents, and other important travel info. Save these scans on a cloud service like Google Drive or Dropbox and carry a physical copy in case your phone or laptop malfunctions. 7. Download offline maps. Google Maps allows you to download entire areas for offline use. You can also download maps from local transportation systems or Citymapper if you're in a city with complex transit systems. Maps.me is another great offline option for detailed maps worldwide. 8. Use local SIM cards or eSIMs. Local SIM cards often offer cheaper data plans. If your phone supports eSIM, this is even easier since you can buy a plan digitally without needing to swap out your physical SIM card. Services like Airalo or GigSky are great options for data in many countries. 9. Book accommodation with flexibility. Look for accommodation platforms like Booking.com or Airbnb that offer free cancellation. Some hotels and hostels also offer no prepayment deals, so you're not locked into a commitment if your plans change. 10. Embrace eco-friendly travel. Choose more sustainable modes of transport, such as trains or buses, over flying. Services like Flixbus or European train systems are great alternatives for travel within Europe. If you do fly, try offsetting your carbon emissions through programs like Cool Effect or Miclimit. 11. Research local transportation in major cities. Public transport can save a lot of money. Taxis and ride-shares can be convenient but often pricey. Many cities offer day passes for unlimited travel within a certain period. Check out city-specific apps like Moveit for real-time transit info. 12. Get travel-specific credit cards. Consider credit cards that offer travel rewards, airport lounge access, or travel insurance. Cards like the Chase Sapphire Preferred or American Express Platinum often come with perks that can offset travel costs like baggage fees or room upgrades. 13. Learn basic local phrases. Knowing a few key phrases in the local language can help you navigate and build rapport. Phrases like hello, thank you, and where is go a long way. You can use apps like Google Translate for translations on the spot. 14. Use noise-canceling headphones if you're traveling long distances. Noise-canceling headphones can make the journey much more comfortable. They're also great for listening to music or podcasts without distractions. Some good options are Bose Quiet Comfort or Sony WH-1000XM4. 15. Prioritize health and safety. Keep up to date with health safety protocols. Travel advisories and updates from CDC or WHO will give you current travel info. Bring a small health kit with masks, hand sanitizer, and any necessary medications. 16. Utilize airport lounge access. If you're flying on a long-haul flight or have a long layover, consider lounge access. You can either get access through credit cards or purchase a priority pass. Lounges offer comfortable seating, free snacks, Wi-Fi, and more. 17. Don't forget power banks. A portable charger is a lifesaver when you're out sightseeing or traveling between cities. Some power banks can charge your phone multiple times and even power laptops or tablets. Look for one that has a good capacity and is airport approved. 18. Consider sustainable accommodations. Many hotels and AIRMs are going green. Look for places with solar panels, water conservation systems, or recycling programs. Websites like EcoBnB or Green Key Global can help you find environmentally conscious accommodations. 19. Pack a reusable water bottle. Carrying a reusable water bottle helps reduce plastic waste and saves you money. Many airports now have water refill stations, and you can always refill at cafes or restaurants. Brands like Hydro Flask or Swell keep drinks cold or hot for hours. 20. Avoid over-tourism in 2025. More travelers are looking to avoid crowded tourist spots. Consider visiting off-the-beaten-path destinations. Research hidden gems in popular cities, or choose destinations with fewer tourists during the off-season to avoid long lines and inflated prices. With these tips, your 2025 travels should be smoother, cheaper, and more enjoyable. Have a nice trip!